Hello everyone, welcome to TechPista. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use custom themes on Windows 11. Windows 11 themes is really improved from its older version. By default, Windows 11 provided some best performance theme. If you would like to change the custom theme, then you can use from its theme store. Let's learn how you can use the custom theme in Windows 11. In our Windows computer, you have to go to Settings. Then you have to click on the Personalization. Then you have to click on the themes. Here by default Windows provided some themes. You can also change these themes as you need. If you would like to install more custom theme, then you have to click on the Get More Themes from Microsoft Store. So you have to click on the Browse Theme. It will be open the Microsoft Store. Here they are provided some free themes. You can install the desired theme what you would like to install. So you have to click on that. Then you have to click on the Get. Now the themes has been installed in your computer. So once installed that, you can just check it out. The new theme has been installed here. So you have to just click on that. It will be applied in your Windows 11 computer. So you can check it out. The theme style has been changed. If you would like to uninstall this theme, first you have to use the different theme. Then you have to select the theme what you would like to uninstall. Then you have to right click. That will be available the delete button. Then you have to click on that. It will be remove that. You can check it out the default theme. You can right click. You can see the delete button has been disabled. It means the default themes can't be uninstalled. Sometimes people download it from the third-party website and install the theme. That theme will not available here for remove the option. So in this case you have to go to Control Panel. Here you have to click on the Program and Features. Here you can check it out. That theme will be available. You can just short out the installation date. Then you can easy to uninstall. Select the theme and right click. That will be available the uninstall option. Then you can uninstall that theme. In this way you can install or remove the custom theme from your Windows 11 computer. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any question, enter the comment section.